hiking at Lake Louise, we checked in Tunnel Mountain Village Campground at Banff National Park.
It's got shade for the van. There's a building over there with washrooms and showers, I believe, and picnic table, fire pit, unlimited firewood if you collect your own. I'm not really planning on a fire, but we can have one until 11 o'clock at night. Kaya likes this campsite.
On Wednesday, we changed from Tunnel Mountain Village Campground to Jackman Campground.
We're trying to bushwhacking to the lake because the campsite we are at is not close to the lake. But Dave said we can just go through this bushwhack, get to the lake. This is not that easy. And right now you can hear the piping noise. Oh, looks like he was correct. You can see the lake there. I just need to cross this road. We're thinking about tomorrow, get here, launch our boat.
Yeah, we're exactly 1 kilometer. There's the water.
Yeah, but that's hot 1 kilometer. I don't want to carry a boat. Oh, no.
Yeah, it's a bit much. Be better to drive closer.
David's trying to swim. You can see all the girls beside it, and she's not screaming. So that's his swimming. Getting to the 5 second, he's out. I even don't know he get his swimming suits wet or not. July 11th, we are trying to find our next campsite.
This isn't it. It's not up here.
This campground, we stay 2 nights, but a different campsite.
Yeah.
See this woods here, so deep,
But
so
I like how
thick.
there's not a lot of vegetation at ground level, so to walk through it is easy. You can just tromp through it anyway.
Kaya right now totally adopted the get up early. She used to sleep until like
Noon. At home. Now she's up shortly after 7.
Then she sleeps the afternoon.
Yeah.
This will be ours for tonight. 24B. What do you think? I always want to keep Kaya clean. Here, that's what she wants. Inside the van, there's a spot for the sun, and she doesn't want to stay. She has to stay in the grass. We're just packing up the breakfast and get ready for the boat ride. Not boat ride. It's not a ride.
All right. A paddle in the boat.
Yeah. Yeah, Kaya just going nuts for that little squirrel. We got to the lake. And you cannot just launch your boat here. You have to get permit. And after you get a permit, you have to wash your boat to get into the lake. I guess you need to protect the lake, the environment here, in case you bring some like stranger things here from other provinces. There's a Kaya. That is the, I don't know. Kaya going nuts with those. We finally got our permit to go into the water. And since our boat hasn't been in the water more than 30 days, so we're okay and to use it without washing it. Last time we used it is a Victoria long weekend. We tested in Lake Erie. After 1 hour preparing, and we're finally ready. So we're just waiting for Dave to get the life jackets, and we're off. Take off. Kaya's ready, I'm ready. Dave somewhere constantly forgetting things. Hat, sunglasses, a fan. Huh? Can I go into water? Yeah, go to the water. Go to the water. You can swim though. Yeah, the boat is on the shore waiting. We're finally off. This is the Minnewanka Lake. It's blue. No, green.
Well, greenish blue. It's turquoise.
Yeah.
And surrounded by mountains. Well, on 3 sides. Behind us is a dam. It's a nice sunny day.
It is. You can't complain about this weather though.
No, I can't complain about it. And there's no bugs
No.
to speak of.
We got lots of bugs in Ontario. Kaya, you can just jump into it. Finally, Kaya settled. She is the captain. Kaya is the captain.
Actually, she's looking more like a passenger because she hasn't got her feet right up at the front doing a Titanic pose like she often does.
What do you think? I sit in the middle.
I think it was a good idea. It gives Kaya more room.
Yeah.
And she thinks that's important. Previously, she had to keep running around the front of you to get to the front of the boat. And then if I went and turned the boat around, she'd have to come running all the way to the back to get behind me.
You climb that rocks, get on the top, and do a yoga pose.
Oh my goodness. I think there's a bit of wind up there. I think it might be difficult.
There's Kaya's Titanic pose. There you go.
With a mountain behind her. Something so symbolic about a Titanic pose with a mountain in front of you.
You're standing up. Kaya, that's not the ladylike pose.
That's not ladylike, Kaya.
Your butt's too high, Kaya. I think this is better because she's
Okay.
not. She got lots of room at the front. Why you barking at? Huh? What's your problem, Kaya? Huh? You hear her? What's your problem? Huh? Are you enjoying it? You got seasick or car sick?
Travel sick.
Yeah. she's yawning. Oh,
Waterfall.
how come water got in?
Because it wants to be pumped up more. I was just shifting my weight.
Oh, that's what I feel like it's more.
Oh, I'm cramping.
Already? You drink water?
You'd have to re-inflate it. If you take it to a wash station. Otherwise, it's just going to wash in the water. Oh, but you can't use lake water. You have to find a water tap.
Oh, the guy had that you can just use the campsite water.
Yeah.
I mean, Kaya's swimming.
Don't wants to come out.
Don't.
Oh!
We finally landed here, and I lost one single shoe. Kaya is not happy. What you want, Kaya? You jumped into the water. David trying to blow some air in the boat. Kaya is not happy. I don't know why. No, she wants to go to that woods. I don't want her to go. So they left me here for a hike. I can't do it because I got 1 foot without shoe. We finally got back, and Kaya's still looking for the shoe, for the squirrel, still here. You go back to the car to get me shoe. After boating, and we came to this third campsite.
This one
Banff.
has those evergreen trees with all the needles that make the wonderful noise in the wind when all the needles bang into each other.
And we're having a pair of teeth.
A pair of teeth.
And I'm cooking some kind of a fungus. Yeah, with the sausage and the vegetables. That one is rice. Kaya's food is ready. And that's Kaya's treats. I said one of this. You gave her 2.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
She almost drowned today in her mind.
Oh,
So she thinks she needs extra special care for lunch.
see, that's our campsite. It's all surrounded by the wood. That's our tower. Tried to get water out of the boat today. So after dinner, we walk, a bushwhack to other campsite to take a shower.
Oh, Kaya loves it. Kaya loves this one.
Yeah.
Bushwhacking between all these camp, whatever you call them.
We walk to this, I thought authentic, not yoke, authentic
Same thing.
side.
Yeah. I knew that would go there.
So Dad has to hold your face.
I have to hold your face off the keyboard.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
She just doesn't want to go to bed because it is the
Chopping
people
of
chopping wood.
Yeah, which sounds like gunshots.
It is a Friday morning. It's a little bit overcasting. It's not too hot. Very nice. We're leaving Banff National Park and going to Jasper today. So before we leave, I have to cook all this stuff here, like tofu, everything, and vegetables, because I have no idea where we stay tonight. It will be like some kind of wilderness campsite. We just ran up the gas. I thought it was blew away.
I thought the flame blew out.
Yeah, but then
It wouldn't light.
no.
Yeah, that tells you.
So our last breakfast in Banff.
Mm-hmm.
We have wraps with the tofu inside.
Mm-hmm.
Eggs.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't have any meat. Kaya already had her chicken. We're taking Gray up here. This Gray's gonna go all the way to the top. There. There she is. We parked Gray here. I think over there they had a wild fire here. We settle here and the Gray is leveled. They have this fire pit here. I'm gonna cook something here. I'm soak some mushrooms and the fungus and make fried rice. I wanted to donate 3 chairs.
Yeah, there we go.
Not 3 chairs, just one.
No,
of
no,
them.
1 of 3, yeah.
So I
And
thought
Kaya almost never seemed to use this chair, but
Kaya doesn't use it. If Kaya doesn't use it,
as soon as she heard about it, I bring it out and she's in it.
she is using this chair.
Yeah.
So I just find it takes too much space for 3 chairs, and we barely use
It
them.
fits, but yeah. We certainly wouldn't want to drag it around if we're never going to use it.
Kaya is so scared of the gunshot. She just heard that.
Just right. Okay, Kaya, you curl up in your chair, okay?
You should sit right
There you
in
go,
front.
there you
Yeah.
go. You're fine, you're fine. You're fine. See, you can lay down.
Just a single gunshot or chopping the wood. All
Chopping
scared
the
her.
wood is as bad as a gunshot.
You know what? I really love that vet. She said Kaya was dramatic.
She's
I didn't
very
believe it.
dramatic.
Yeah,
Oh, she's very dramatic.
She's very dramatic.
Yeah.
She's filming me. Her little drone. It doesn't want to land there on the table. A little tantrum.
So I've just GPS coordinates are off a bit.
You gonna land the Kai? No, the Kai.
Whoops.
Oh, this is a little bitch. She's having a tantrum.
No, I can't get my controls coordinated.
Oh. Can you just land? Yeah. Ah, good girl.
Oh! Finally, I did it! I landed it! You going home?
No, I'm just standing here. Okay, we lost the drone.
You just come.
David's panic there. So the drone GPS tells us it's disconnect here, like 20 meters here, and Dave is in the 0 distance from the zone, but it just can't find it. It's like this. The zone is so small. The whole jungle is like this. I don't think we can find it. Even find it, it's probably broken.